Good morning everyone. So we are again back with the channel. Yesterday we started chapter number 4 where we discussed about metal and the properties of metal. Now today chapter number 4 again we are doing, this is the second part where we will talk about the chemical properties of metal. So there are 5 different chemical properties of metal. First, second, third, and once we finish this I will give you the remaining 2. The first chemical property of metal is what? Metals react with oxygen. Every metal, whatever metal it is, it will always react with oxygen. And what happens when it reacts with oxygen? See, any metal, suppose if I take iron, what will happen to it? Iron is an example of metal. So iron, if reacts with oxygen, it will give us metal oxide. That means what? Iron, which is a metal, iron if reacts with oxygen, it will give me what? Iron oxide. One more example I give, in place of iron, if I take copper, so copper plus oxygen, it will give me copper oxide. So this is the first chemical property of metal, that any metal, when it reacts with oxygen, it gives us metal oxide. Second chemical property is what? Rusting. You may have seen that iron or any kind of metal, when we keep it outside for a very long time, a brown color, some unsuitable substance it formed there. That kind of thing is called as what? Rusting. So there, in that thing also there is a reaction that happens. The same reaction, metal plus oxygen, it gives us what? Metal oxide. Maximum time this rusting forms in the iron and in the aluminium. Next one, metal reacts with acid. Now what happened to metal? Metal, when it reacts with any kind of acid, it gives us one thing that is called as the salt. Now what is a salt? A salt is a mixture of acid and base. Any salt will contain both acid and base. So whenever any metal, when it reacts with acid, it gives us what? Acid and base. So we have finished the 3 properties. Now after that, the remaining 2s are what? The next one is number 4, that is metal react with water. Chemical formula of water is H2O. So whenever any metal it's react with water, or we can write it as H2O, it gives us metal oxide or metal hydroxide. So whenever any metal it reacts with water, either it will give you metal oxide or either it will give us metal hydroxide. That is the 4th chemical property of every metal. The 5th one, the 5th one is metal do not react with alkalis. This is the 5th and the last property. So no metal reacts with the alkalis. Now what is an alkali? Alkali is something like an acid, but it's not properly an acid. Okay, it is a type of an acid, but it's not fully an acid. So metals, no metal, they don't react with any of the alkali, which is the last and the 5th property. So these are the 5 different chemical properties of any metal. Remaining things we will discuss in our next class, which will be the last topic to complete this chapter. Thank you, one and all.